Let's make a Tamil Nadu style, but it's Thoothukudi style Kara chicken. Don't miss out to see the whole video. Let's make this Karam chicken together. A small piece of tamarind soaked in water. Keep it aside. Onto a blender. Pour dry red chilies, cloves of garlic, rough chopped or red onions, some shallots, rough cut tomatoes, the tamarind only that was soaked in the water, 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp, pour the water, jaggery, Kashmiri chili to get a bright color, just enough salt, cumin seeds. Place everything onto a blender, then blend into a fine, nice paste. Be careful when you open, because there will be a strong smell from the chilies. Keep it aside. Onto a skillet on a medium heat, add ginger oil. When it's piping or rolling hot, add the mustard seed and let it crack. Add curry leaves and the paste we just made to the hot skillet. Give a quick stir and let it simmer. Simmer. You can see the color is changing and the oil from the spices will be coming out. As soon as it is brighter in color and the oil is coming out, that means the spices are cooked. Very nice thick sauce. Let it cook by the time we will marinate the chicken. I'm using here chicken breast. Thinly cut strips like this. Onto the chicken, add turmeric powder, vinegar, salt, chili powder, the karam. Combine well and set it aside for 30 minutes. The gravy is ready now. It's simmering, thick and a bright red color. To the thick gravy, add the chicken. Combine well. Don't cover it. And let it simmer for 10 minutes. We are using chicken breast here, so it's very easy to cook. So let it cook beautifully, juicy, just like this. Bright color, hot, steaming hot with a vibrant color, and enjoy. Let's try the Thoothukudi style Kara chicken. I'm trying with naan bread. The naan bread recipe is there in my channel. Let's try it. Chicken, naan bread. Very soft chicken. Gravy is so beautiful. It has the spiciness from the dry red chilies, but the sourness from the tamarind and
the tomato makes it very perfect flavoring, and a touch of jaggery makes it into a next level. It's very simple, very easy, and very delicious. And when you eat, how you eat? It's my way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to try this recipe. And if you like it, share it, comment it, and support me by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. Come back with a new video.